Here's how to scrape Ticketmaster event tickets with no coding knowledge. For this we'll need the Ticketmaster scraper from Nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next press event tickets. As you can see, we extracted the event tickets of this event. You can do this for multiple different events. Now head to the settings. Then press on store data. In here you can find all data you scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. Now to customize this, press on customize. Then press on event tickets. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also add the criteria to only scrape the products you are looking for. Once you're done, press save. You can also find more features in the add-on section. Now to export this, press add to export list. Then press export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export as HTML. After exporting, here's the data we extracted.